What's going on, everyone? In this video, we're going to go over some of today's setups using the 20 SMA strategies. Now, for those of you guys who are inside of Evolution Traders, you guys know that this strategy we play almost every day, right? We're always looking for something in and around this particular setup. What this setup is going to entail is short-term shifts and changes in momentum. We're looking for price action to previously be trading over the 20 SMA, which is signaling bullish price action, to then start to get a little weak and lose the 20 SMA to go short and then reclaim to go long. Now, there was a couple fake outs. There was a couple of decent moves. I want to just show you how lately, and I would say for the better half of, I would say this is the second week now where I am cutting down my price targets to about 5 to 7 points. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if I have a hard 5-point take profit or a 6-point take profit or a 7-point take profit, a lot of times in this price action, what it's doing for me is if it gets filled, it gets me out of the trade, obviously with money in my pocket. Now, it's not going to be a lot of money in my pocket, but the whole goal here is to make these scalps work for you. So you can take 2, 3, 4 trades a day and walk away on the day. All you realistically need to do is wait for the setups to happen. So if we look at today's price action, literally off the bell, the first 5-minute candle closes below the 20 SMA. Now, when it closes below the 20 SMA, you're not just going to rush in. You're going to wait for the following 5-minute candle. I use the 5-minute time frame. You're going to wait for the following 5-minute candle to confirm the low of the candle that closed below the 20 SMA. Now, this first setup, entry price should have been below 23,161. Within 5 minutes, it shoots down to 23,152. So you kind of get my drift here. That first setup would have paid you 5, 6, or 7 points. Now, if you're playing, let's say 5 micro contracts, that's an easy $50 trade. $50 logged, $50 banked. The second trade of the day was here, and it happens to be getting into this trade at 23,191. Okay, so 23,191. Price shoots up to 23,198. Now, this looks like a failed move. If you look at it, it looks like a failed move. If you were looking for a lot, okay, so if you're looking for 15 points, 20 points, more than likely you would have had to have taken about a 25-point stop loss. Okay, so that's a little bit much, but it would have been about a 25-point stop loss if you were looking for something greater than 10 points. But this leads me down the road of, if you're not greedy and you just walk away with 5 or 6 points, you would have banked another $50 on an easy 5 micro trade. The third trade of the day happens here at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so 10:30 Eastern. The entry price was below 23,146. That doesn't confirm until 7:40. So the next candle never confirms the low, but confirms here. Entry price 23,146. Entry at 7:40 shoots all the way down to 23,131. Are you starting to catch the drift? If you just sit and you wait for these individual setups and you allow them to work or stop you out, you can pick up points and you can start to build something that is consistent, something that doesn't require much thought process at all. Do you get a setup? Can you execute? That's it. Do you get a setup? Can you execute? Easy 15 points here. Easy $150 trading 5 micros. Now, you can obviously sit and continue. Here's another trade here long that happens at 8:20 in the morning. 23,162 is entry, shoots up to 23,172. This would have been 20 points if you took 4 trades. And now we're talking about $150 or $200 day trading 5 micros. The power of this strategy is very, very strong if you don't sit here and try to trade all day. Because are you going to win every trade? No. There's going to be some trades that might catch you. And if you lose a trade, you're probably going to give up 15, 20 points. And you don't want to erase 3 or 4 winning trades to go back to flat. So I would recommend, if you start off and you win 2 trades, you win 3 trades, walk away. Build some consistency in doing that and being able to walk away. and you're going to start to build consistency in your overall trading. Now, this strategy is very, very easy. Anyone can use it. You can definitely use it for prop firms. You can use it for passing evaluations, just play much bigger size. And you can use it for trading funded accounts, play much smaller size, and just try to nab these $50 to $60 trades and try to bank them away and try to stack those days. Leave me a like on this video. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys did today. If you guys are interested in joining Evolution Traders, the link is down in the description box below. Also, Apex is 80% off right now. You guys can use my discount code DANTHONY, and you guys will get that 80% savings on your account. So if you want to go out and try this strategy, I would definitely recommend going out, trying it on a fresh evaluation, starting to track and journal those trades that you're going to take with this strategy. I will see all of you guys on the next video. Trade safe, guys. Happy trading.